Today I'm making old school chicken noodle casserole, a nostalgic recipe that's sure to bring back memories. It's quick and easy for those hectic weeknights, and your family is sure to love it. Stick with me as I show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken noodle casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of rotisserie chicken, 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup, 12 ounces of egg noodles, 2 cups of half and half, 1 cup of peas and carrots, 1/2 cup of onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add your egg noodles and allow it to cook for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 8 minutes, turn off your heat, then drain your water and set your noodles aside. Now add your noodles to your baking dish. Add your cream of mushroom soup and onion. Add your peas and carrots and rotisserie chicken. Now season with the black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Now pour in your half and half, then mix until well combined. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. While your casserole is in the oven, add your melted butter to your breadcrumbs, then mix until well combined. After 30 minutes, remove your casserole from the oven, then lightly sprinkle with your breadcrumbs. Increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees, then return your casserole to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to